Hello guys, what's up? It's me again, HEYKAT, and welcome to another episode of HEYKAT Does Makeup. So for today's video, I'm going to do the Snowflake Korean Makeup Look. So yun yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga Korean idols nyo or usually sa mga artista, 'di ba? Parang uso ngayon yung fresh lang, like the drunk blush effect na everything blended and then everything natural. I'm from work and kakatanggal ko lang ng makeup. So, mas maganda if we will start fresh, you know, parang relationship. Start fresh chart. So, ayun, as you can see, the condition of my face now isn't really at its best. Medyo mga pimples tayo ngayon kasi series pa more. Yung bago ko pinapanood ngayon, Insatiable. So, alam niyo yun, super nahook ako. Wala lang, nakakatuwa lang. So, too much for the talking. Now, let's proceed with the video. So, mag-start tayo with the moisturizer. So, gustong-gusto ko to kasi hindi siya sticky sa face. Although, hindi na muna ako maggaganito. Skip ko na to kasi gabi na dito. Tatanggalin ko rin naman pagkatapos. Wala naman akong lakad. So, next is, moisturize ko lang yung lips ko. So, ayun yung next is yung favorite kong primer. Itong Professional by Benefit. Favorite ko siya kasi magic siya. Nawawala yung, hindi man actually nawawala yung pores ko, pero na-diminish niya yung pores ko. This is actually really important in doing your makeup kasi it protects your skin from the chemicals na nilalagay mo sa face mo. Next thing is the foundation. Ito rin is sa favorite ko na foundation. Itong dumi, sorry. It's from Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation. So, here. And then, cover all those zits with a sponge. So, unahin ko siya. But, usually, ayan. And then, ito dito, yan. Sa 5 full points ng face mo. Ayan. Then, blend lang. Ayan. So, ayun. Sayang naman. Walang pupuntahan. Pero, oh my God. September, ano na ba ngayon? September, nahanap ko yung phone ko. Gamit ko na. September 26 na ngayon. So, critical days na ang pera. So, walang panlabas. Ayan, blend mo lang. Blend it seamlessly, as I always say. Ayan, syempre, importante ang base. Kasi, saan ba natin lalagay lahat ng makeup, diba? Dun sa base. So, ayun, I already have the foundations. So, simple lang natin. Depends on your choice naman, diba? If you think your skin needs more, then why not? If you think your skin needs less, why not? So, ano lang, kanya-kanyang trip lang yan. So, ngayon, trip ko kasi konti lang kasi hindi naman na ako alis. Tanggalin ko rin naman after. Next is the concealer. Favorite ko rin to from Catrice. Makikita niyo to usually sa mga makeup videos ko. Kung napanood mo yung first video ko, sabi ko, lalagay siya usually under my eyes. Hindi naman talaga necessary, like, kung wala ka naman i-cover, diba? Pero usually, ako, for brightening, like, at the highest points of the face, na gusto mong i-highlight, diba? Or whatever. So, here, tsaka sa aking chin, and of course, sa ating pimples. Ayan, pimples. Ayan. So, ayan yung tatlo kong yung mga major na gusto mo i-cover. Ayan, conceal mo lang. So, ayan. Ayan. And then, again, blend lang. Ito na alam ko naman hindi siya 100% na tatakpan kasi cystic acne nga ako, but at least diba kahit pa paano naglighten siya. Ayan, so hindi siya fully na-cover talaga yung pimples ko. Pero it's okay. Kasi ako, personally, tip lang. If you have pimples or something, hindi naman always meron, diba? So, let your face rest din naman. Tapos, naman kasi yan always, diba, permanent. So, parang, mawawala din naman yan. Pero, mas matagal mawawala kung lalagyan mo na papatungan ng maraming product, diba? Still cover mo pero yung saktuhan lang. But of course, kung may special event ka, like may occasion ka na malaki, I think it's okay. It's up to you naman, 'di ba? So depende lang din yan kung saan ka pupunta or something. Kung dyan lang naman, 'di ba? Simplehan mo lang, ganyan. Too much for the talking. Let's proceed next with the bronzer. To bronze my face, I am going to use this powder from Shiseido. It's from my mom. Ano powder sa mom ko. Pero medyo dark yung shade na yung nabili niya for me. So, I'll just use it for my bronzing. Or shading lang. Actually, naman talaga too much nagko-contour. It depends pa rin naman sa yung face shape. But for my face, okay sa akin yung shading lang. Not too much contouring. Ganyan. Kasi nga sabi nila, medyo maliit na yung face ko. So, I'm just going to use this brush. My used and abused brush from DMGM. Ayan. So, kahit na ano naman na square, na soft brush, na natural, it's okay. Whatever brush you have, it's fine. So, here, sa edge ng aking forehead, going to the hair strand para natural looking lang. And then here, ayan, para naman, kumbaga ma-neutralize yung foundation na nilagay mo sa face mo, like, kunwari napaputi, diba? Or something like that. Ito lang ma-balance lang. Ayan. At lalagay din ako at my nose. Ayan. Very light lang. Very minimal lang. Huwag naman halatang masyadong in-affortan. Usually, lalagay ako dito. Para lang, mas ma-emphasize yung apples of the cheek mo, ganyan. Let's proceed with the kilay. Lapit lang ako konti. So, yung desired shape na gagawin ko ngayon is like, hopefully, magawa ko yung straight lang. Kasi, diba, Korean yung peg natin ngayon. So, good luck naman. Ayan. Gamit ko nga pala ito, Catrice ulit. Ayan. Long-lasting brow definer in the shade 040. Used and overly abused. Ayan, let's just make it subtle lang. Kasi syempre, ganun yung Korean brows, diba? Mga natural lang, ganyan. Parang yung hindi masyadong in-effortan. Joke. So, ayun, let's proceed next with the eyeshadow. For the shadow, hindi rin tayo masyadong maglalagay, but I'm going to use this at the edge of my eyes, like here, sa dulo lang. Diba, bailig sila dun sa mga parang blended, ganyan. So, maglagay lang tayo ng brown color, and then i-blend natin going out. Going to use brush that you have, like this, and then, I'm going to use this matte wood color here from the Balm. Ito lang. Para medyo subtle lang siya. Ganyan. And then, here, dito sa edge na to, ganyan. Ayan. Lagyan mo lang dito. Going, parang straight lang. So, gamitin na lang din natin to para medyo mas kita konti. Ganyan. And then here. And then, drag it going out. Let's do this on the other side. So, ayun. Next is, I'm going to put a brown color as well at my lower lash line. Here, sa edge lang din. I-connect lang natin dun sa pataas. So, I will use this color again. And then, here. Ayan. Then here, same. Ayan, then drag mo konti going inwards. Like, sa half lang. Ganyan. And then, i-connect mo dun sa taas. Ayan. So, next is maglagay lang tayo ng highlight at the middle area lang to brighten it up for a glowy effect sa eyes natin. And then, I am going to use this palette, Naked One palette from Urban Decay. And I'm just going to use this color here. Ayan. And then, maglalagay din ako dito sa aking tear duct. So, hindi tayo mag-e-end dyan. I'm going to use another palette. This is the Pressed Glitter from Beauty Glaze. So, bigay lang to ng BFF ko dito sa work. So, this is actually what it looks like inside. Ayan. I don't know if you guys are familiar here, pero ayun, ito itsura niya. Diba? The colors are so pretty. And then, I am going to use this. I don't know, this one or this one. Spray lang ako ng konting Fix Plus here sa brush para kumapit yung pigment. Let's first try this one. Then, ilalagay ko siya at the middle of my lower lash line here. Ayan guys, nailagay ko na siya. So, this is actually how it looks like. Dun sa mga K-pop dance group sa Korea, di ba parang ganito usually yung sa eyes nila. Ganyan. Ayan. Eyes achieved. So, i-curl lang din natin yung lashes natin. And then, I'm going to use this Benefit They Are Real mascara. And then, our lower lash line. This is how it looks like. Proceed with my next favorite part, yung aking cheeks. I am going to use my cheeks in the shade Amari by Instagram. So, in-order ko lang siya online and the shop name is Instagram. Like that. So, ayun. So, ito siya. Like this because hindi siya nagsistain sa cheeks pag nilagay. So, apply lang natin siya at the full of my cheek. Ayan, diba? Cheek and lip tint lang ang labanan, char. And then, after the cheek and lip tint, lagay tayo ng lip gloss. Ayan, this is from Buxom, London brand. Bigay lang creative director namin here sa company, si Miss M. Hello, Miss M. Apply lang natin siya at the middle lang for a plumpier lip effect. Yun, medyo hindi pa ako kontento sa blush. This is from Shiseido as well. Pretty lang yung shade. Ginawa ko lang sa bahay. I don't know kung kanino to. Siguro sa ate ko or sa mami ko. Pero wala lang. Sorry eh. Hindi ako nakapagpaalam. Nakalimutan ko. Diyos ko. Sa mga bata natin. At the apple of my cheek. Here as well. Ayan. Glowing effect lang. Ayan. So to finish the look, so I'm going to use this Innisfree Green Tea Micro Mist. For the last part of the makeup, I have in here the Baked Blush from e.l.f. and I'm going to use this as my highlighter. Apply lang natin siya here at the highest point of my cheek. Here. And then here. Ayan. Here. Ayan. So, this is the final look. Thank you again guys for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and might as well subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much again guys, and see you on my next one. Bye!